Today we will do our 19th lesson, that is a and the. In book 1 you have learned that, अब हमने पहले पढ़ा था कि आ जो है वो कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ आता है, कॉन्सोनेंट्स, और एन जो है वो वॉवल के साथ आता है, ए ई आई ओ यू के साथ, और द जो है वो जो कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं जो भी हैं उसके साथ सारों को. You have learned that we use and before words that begin with a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, and a before words that do not begin with a vowel. यानी वो consonants होते हैं, वो A, E, I, O, U के साथ start नहीं होते, वो सारे consonant. So we say or write a book, a pen, a cat, but an army, an engine, an elephant, because they are starting with E and A, और E, I, O, U, जो भी होगा उसके साथ N लिखेंगे. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Remember that a sentence begins with a capital letter. और हमेशा पहला sentence का letter क्या होगा? Capital letter. Dash river flowed past the castle. Dash river flowed past the castle. A river flowed past the castle. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? A, capital letter. Zara put dash book back on the shelf. The book. अगर आ बुक भी लिखें तब भी कोई मसला नहीं, क्योंकि वो एक किताब भी रख सकती है. Zara put the book back on the shelf. On the way we saw an ostrich. क्यों an ostrich? क्योंकि ये किसके साथ स्टार्ट हो रहा है? ओ के साथ. ये ostrich है. ostrich किसके साथ स्टार्ट हो रही है? ओ के साथ. इसीलिए हमने क्या यूज़ किया? an ostrich with a long neck and long legs. Mr. Moody picked up an umbrella. ये हमेशा याद रखना, अम्ब्रेला बार बार आता है. an umbrella, an apple, an elephant. ये आपने प्ले नर्सरी केजी में 1000 दफ़ा पढ़ा है. From the rack. Dash an elephant reached out with its trunk to grab some juicy leaves from the tree. कि उसने अपनी वो ट्रंक निकाली, वो जो उसका लंबा सा होता है, और उसने जूसी लीव्स को ग्रैब करने के लिए, पकड़ने के लिए. I have dash slice of bread. I have a slice of bread, an egg, and a banana in my lunch box. I saw an eagle. Why I am writing an? Because it is eagle is started with A, E, I, O, U, means vowel. So we are using an eagle soaring high in the sky. Nana gave dash a scream of fright when she saw a snake in the bushes. The brownie met an elf and a goblin in the garden. An elf and a goblin in the garden. Now come to the next page. The woodcutter carried an axe. Why we are writing an? Because axe is started with a, and a is vowel. On his shoulder. Dash giant owned the garden. A giant owned the garden. He had built the high walls around it. The high wall around it. The high wall भी कह सकते हैं, a high wall भी कह सकते हैं, but the is more proper. Arshad took an orange from the fruit bowl and began to peel it. Now look at these sentences. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. The book is on the table भी कह सकते हैं. There is a book on the table भी कह सकते हैं. In the first sentence, a book can mean any book. The word a makes it clear that we are not talking about any particular book. The word the in the table, however, makes it clear that we are referring to a particular table. In the second sentence, the book refers to a particular book. Book किसको रेफर कर रही है? एक पर्टिकुलर बुक को. The book is on the table. और this book is perhaps a particular book. एक ख़ास किस्म की किताब है. Somebody is looking for, or a book somebody is reading, or a book somebody has been asked to fetch. कि वो लेकर आओ, fetch करो, लेकर आओ. As in the first sentence, the before the word book tells you that a particular book is meant. Here are some more examples. Look for an empty packet. Look for an empty packet. Why we are using an? Because empty has started with E. Put the book in the empty packet. ये एक आम किस्म की किताब है. An empty pocket जो है वो कोई ख़ास किस्म की हो तो उसको कहते हैं an. In the first sentence, an empty pocket does not refer to a particular empty pocket. It means any empty pocket. Now look, an empty pocket, it is referred to a pocket which is very common pocket which can be from any pocket. In the first sentence, an empty pocket doesn't refer to a particular empty pocket. Put the book in the empty pocket. Now this is the empty pocket is used for some particular packet. For some particular packet. Look for an empty packet. तो यहाँ पे पैकेट क्या है? एक एम्प्टी पैकेट को देखें तो यहाँ पे ये किसके लिए यूज़ हो रहा है? नॉट फॉर द पर्टिकुलर एम्प्टी पैकेट. और दिस इज पुट द बुक इन द एम्प्टी पैकेट. यहाँ पे एम्प्टी पैकेट किसके लिए यूज़ हो रहा है? एक पर्टिकुलर पैकेट के लिए. I was talking about pocket. It is not pocket, it is packet. In the second sentence, the book refers to a particular book and the empty packet refers to the particular empty packet that is lying there. Arham is wearing a sweater. एक आम स्वेटर है जो पहना हुआ है. Arham is wearing the sweater that I gave him on his birthday. ये तो ख़ास होगी ना जो मैंने उसको बर्थडे पे दी थी और वो उसको पहने हुए. In the first sentence, a sweater does not refer to any particular sweater. ये किसी particular sweater को नहीं कर रहा. A sweater. This can be used for any sweater. But यहाँ पे हमने इसको ज़ाहिर किया है. He is wearing the sweater that I gave him on his birthday. तो ये वाली जो स्वेटर है वो कौन सी स्वेटर है? Particular sweater. ख़ास किस्म की स्वेटर. In the second sentence, the sweater means the particular sweater that I gave Arham on his birthday. So this is a particular sweater which is used for I gave him on his birthday.